HACCP Intermediate Course. This is Module 4, the Legal Requirements and HACCP Principles. The aim of this module is to introduce you to legal requirements and HACCP principles, and by the end of this unit you will be able to state the 7 principles of HACCP, explain the advantages of a food safety management system based on HACCP principles, define the roles of employees and managers regarding food safety and HACCP. The main regulation regarding and pertaining to HACCP is the EU regulation on the hygiene of foodstuffs, which came into force on the 1st of January 2006. In there it states that all food business operators, regardless of size, must implement HACCP. And the 7 HACCP principles start with number 1, identify hazards. Number 2, identify the critical control points. Number 3, establish critical limits. Number 4, implement monitoring at CCPs, critical control points. Number 5, establish corrective actions. Number 6, establish verification procedures. And number 7, establish documentation. And all food handlers must be trained commensurate with their work activities. In other words, trained equal to the job that they do, not overtrained or undertrained. And all persons responsible for HACCP must receive HACCP training. So these are the 3 main areas of the EU regulation on the hygiene of foodstuffs, which came into force on the 1st of January 2006. The benefits of HACCP. Well, there's quite a few. You've noticed a legal requirement. First of all, it's structured and systematic. There's control on the premises. It reduces the risk of food safety incidents. HACCP demonstrates compliance with the law, i.e. it's a legal requirement. Also, it assists in the due diligence defence if it ever went to court. It's cost effective. It targets resources at the critical control points and reduces waste, reprocessing and recalls. It generates a food safety culture. It gives increased confidence of customers and enforcers and other stakeholders. It's proactive, not reactive, i.e. it's planned. It's more effective as it's part of the process, and it protects the brand image of the company. Other benefits include safety is introduced in product development. All staff are involved. It's a good training exercise as it's ongoing. It satisfies customer requirements, especially of retailers, the retail consortium. It's internationally recognised. It demonstrates management commitment. The control parameters are relatively easy to monitor. It's more effective than end product testing. It's more effective than ad hoc systems of control and monitoring of all hazards. And it's more effective than periodic inspection. The role of employees and managers in implementation of HACCP. Managers must have commitment, ensure a HACCP study is carried out and resources are available to ensure the HACCP system is implemented and remains effective, train staff in food safety, and employees must ensure they follow all food safety instructions, report when food safety may have been compromised, and comply with food safety law. So the key points of Module 4, we looked at hazard analysis, and in fact it's the first principle of the 7 principles of HACCP is to conduct a hazard analysis. We looked at the 7 principles of HACCP, the advantages of a food safety management system based on HACCP's principles, and the roles of employees and managers regarding food safety and HACCP.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment to visit our website by clicking on the link below. We'll see you there.